All right, we're about to make our first trip with our camping car towards Awajishima. Hope you all enjoy, right, Choco? Okay, so we made it at our first stop today. So right now we're at the Michi-no-eki, the roadside station, Tarara Shimanami Park. Yeah, so this is just a quick stop. We are still trying to make our way to Awajishima. This is the particular island where the Bentons are at. We may not stop by because right now we just kind of deviated a little bit from our plans. So we're kind of on the mission to make it to our destination, to find a place to sleep tonight. However, we're gonna go inside here because they advertise on their page that they are selling honey here from their very first batch. So let's go ahead and see if we can find some of their honey. If you're interested in making the Shimanami Kaido trek across the 7 different bridges, you can easily go ahead and rent a bike at different stations, and there's also buses and whatnot that would pick you up. So this is just an example of it. Okay, on to our next Michi-no-eki. Right now we're just kind of bouncing around at each Michi-no-eki until we decide to stop. Right now it's about 4 p.m. So guess what we found? The Benton Homestead honey and Omishima. Unfortunately, sorry Danny and Evan, we're not gonna swing by and stop and see you guys. We're kind of on the timeline, but we just wanted to come over and get some of your honey and show our support. Check them out, folks. So if you're watching, you know the Benton Homestead. They started the homestead here in Omishima, and then the Shimanami Kaido area. And yeah, so they purchased 2 different Akiyas and turned one into Airbnb. So let's go ahead and get some honey. That's this Michi-no-eki right here. Mishima is where we got the Benton Homestead honey. So let's go ahead and make it to our next destination. Not quite sure exactly where it is yet, but we're gonna find out here in a minute. The cool thing about these Michi-no-ekis, they have a whole lot of local stuff. So we just bought some local lemon bread, and I'll be having that tonight. So again, it's one of those cool things, you know, you can support local. So in a way, it's a good way to get off the beaten path and support local businesses. That's the 5 o'clock music. Time for the kids to go home. So this is the dolphin farm here in the Hakata island, which is the next one from Omishima, where we came from that direction over there. And over there looks like you can swim with the dolphins. One of these days we need to bring our granddaughters over here. And next we're gonna hop on to this bridge right here and keep on making our way towards Shikoku Island, and just kind of keep driving around. Not really sure what this is, but a bunch of steam is coming out of it here. But this place is known for onsens as well. Oh, that's right, because this is The name of this Michi-no-eki is something Ora Onsen or something like that. I'll find it here in a minute. All right, so I think we got one more stop before we find a spot to sleep tonight. It's about 6 p.m. Choco got a stamp for her Michi-no-eki book. All right, so we just made a stop at Komatsu Oasis. This is the Michi-no-eki, a roadside station. We don't know if we're gonna stay here tonight, but probably it seems like a really nice place. So there's the market, and there's a really big Monbel store. And over there, lots of parking. There's a restroom over there. And then right down the road, there's another rest stop. Beautiful view from up here. And it's about 6:30 or so. And right now we're looking for Choco stamp. Let's see if it's open. That's an interesting table. Our dinner at a roadside station. We're gonna spend the night here, I think, right, Choco? We're spending the night here? Yeah. We guess. And then there's an onsen up the road, so we're probably gonna go there and take a shower. Got it? $5. So I think we might go ahead and set camp here for tonight. We're still kind of undecided if we're gonna do it here or we're gonna go up to that Oasis place where there's a onsen. So we survived our first night. We stayed at this rest stop here last night. We ate dinner at the inside, open 24/7, and we pretty much slept here the whole night. Had the AC running for a couple hours. Once it cooled off, we were able to turn it off. First night successful, so let's go ahead and keep on going. Let's look at. Is that too much? Wait. This is a Shikoku book. All right, so there you go. At this Michi-no-eki, there's a really cool Montbell, which is kind of like an outdoor type of store here in Japan. Inside, they have a waterfall and fish and whatnot. Let's go check them out. And last night is we went to this onsen over there. That's where we took a shower. So this is an example of the different kind of things that you can do when you stop at a Michi-no-eki. Right there, so there's where the restrooms were at. They're open 24/7. Nice and safe, secure place. All right, folks, let's go ahead and hit the road. So just about 30 minutes from the last Michi-no-eki, we stopped at this one right here. Is Minetopia Beishi. Really cool. We have not walked inside yet, but a lot of mining, and it seems like there's really nice clean restrooms down that way. There's an onsen as well. So let's go ahead and explore a little bit, but here you go. A little bit of what they have around this area. It looks like there's some mining caves, and there's an old choo-choo train as well that you can take a little tour and whatnot. So yeah, let's go ahead and check it out. Monkey. Look at the beautiful water. Crystal clear, turquoise. Yeah, we just made a quick stop here at Toyohama Michi-no-eki, which is right off the ocean. I remember stopping here once before, probably about 4 years ago. They were playing music here right by the ocean, and in the evening. That's pretty cool. Ooh, the takoyaki smells so good. That takoyaki smells really, really good. We're gonna get some. No, I'm just wondering what smells so good.
匂いがすごくいいって。ありがとうございます。
ちょっと取っていいですか？
どうぞ。
the takoyaki. So we should get both?
じゃあたこ焼きも一つ。
決めるできません。ごめんなさい。
いえいえ。
So we're gonna get the yakisoba and then takoyaki, and we're gonna go ahead and eat over there by the picnic table and just enjoy the view.
たこ焼きもね、うちのはキャベツがいっぱい入ってる。
That's a lunch for two, right by the ocean, less than $10. So this is the Michi-no-eki that we stopped at, Uzusyo Michi-no-eki. It is right smack in the middle between the bridge that crosses from Shikoku, that is Shikoku over there, and then here towards the left is Awajishima. Okay, so now we're trying to make it to Naruto, where there's a whirlpool. Folks, the wind is so strong up here right now. The whirlpool is kind of hit and miss, so I'm not quite sure if we're going to see any right now. Definitely a must-see place when you come into Shikoku Awajishima area. So the best time to enjoy the Naruto's whirlpools is during spring and fall, and full moon or new moon. This is very similar to the rose trellis that I made. And actually, they have some sort of little real contraption right here for that. That's interesting. Look at this. We are in Awajishima, heading back home little by little. We're gonna make a couple stops. Wow, look at this, so gorgeous. Awaji is very famous for their onions. Look at them, they're so huge. Everywhere you drive, there's a bunch of onion fields all over the place. And as you can see, there's a reason why. Look at this. こんにちは。すごく大きいですね。なんでそんなに大きくなりますか？
さあ、どんな声かな。ほんまにもあるしな、いろいろやな。ちょっとおばちゃんだ大事な、こんなし、したら筋肉ほんで切ってくる時期とな、この下とな、ひげ生えとるのがな。切ってほんでコンテナ掘り込んでいったりな。
大きいですね。
なあ、よかった、使い道がな。そんなんよかったらな、ええけどな、家族少なかったらな。